Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blink outdoor cameras with sync module and USB storage, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Blink outdoor cameras, sync module, and USB storage device. Find a suitable location for your camera. Ensure the areas have a Wi-Fi signal and sufficient battery life. Plug the sync module into a power outlet using the provided USB cable and adapter. Wait for the LED light on the sync module to blink blue. Download the Blink app from your device's app store and open it. Create or log in to your Blink account. Tap on Add a device in the app. Select Blink Outdoor from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to scan the QR code displayed on your sync module. The app will guide you to connect the sync module to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once connected, the LED light on the sync module will turn solid green. Next, it's time to set up your Blink outdoor cameras. Remove the battery compartment cover and insert the provided batteries. Replace the battery cover securely. Press the button on the camera until the LED light blinks blue. Return to the Blink app and select Add a device again. Choose Blink Outdoor from the list. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code displayed on the camera. Scan the code, and the app will register the camera. Repeat this process for any additional cameras you wish to add. Once all cameras are added, open the app and select your camera. Adjust settings such as motion detection sensitivity, activity zones, and recording length. To set up USB storage, connect your USB drive to the sync module. Navigate to the Blink app and select Settings. Choose Local Storage from the menu. Toggle the option to enable local storage for your camera. Confirm the settings and check that the app recognizes your USB drive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.